In 2018 and 2019, I was participated work and travel program in States. And like most of the American people that I know was telling me great things about Canada. And after I'm graduated from my university back at home in Turkey, I decided to enroll a college in Canada. When deciding the city, I know Toronto is like there's a diversity over here, and it's pretty good to experience a lot of things, and you can meet anywhere from anywhere in the world. So that's how I decided coming here in Canada. When I was looking for a school, the most important thing was the schedules. And Toronto School of Management has the great schedules for making a new life kinda over here, because the schedules are kind of flexible, so you can go out, socialize, or if you want to work, you can go and work. Toronto School of Management has been very supportive to me towards my education, and plus I've made lifelong friends over here from everywhere in the world. Also, this is the launch steps for working in any kind of industry. And actually my bachelor's degree in nutrition and dietetics is also so able to make a business too. So that's why I wanted to take a business management instead of starting my career right away. So at the end, when I go back to my country, I want to establish a clinic, and I should know how to manage it. So this program will help me a lot with doing that. I'll do it more professionally. Arkadaşlar merhaba. Kanada'ya gelmeyi düşünenleriniz varsa içinizde Toronto School of Management muhteşem bir seçenek.